Hi guys, listen up because in today's video I'm gonna show you the big list of 250 websites to publish your articles to make money online by way or another. And these platforms are the guest posting websites. And for sure, these websites are different from those that pay for you when you write articles for them. However, these guest posting websites offer you the opportunity to publish your article in them. And of course, you can take these websites as win-win situation. In terms of this website, it would have a great and updated and fresh content by your articles and the other users. So their audience would be happy and satisfied with their ideas and their thoughts. And as for you, you can take advantage of these guest posting websites to promote yourself, or you branding yourself, to promote your store, to promote your company, to promote your main website, and so on. Or you can get traffic from these guest posts to your main website, and in turn it improves the SEO and the ranking of your website in Google search results. So you can get great and valuable backlinks to your website and your store. As I said earlier, you can take the guest posting mechanism as win-win situation. So here in today's video, I'm gonna show you 3 different websites that you would find down below in the description box in this amazing list. The first type is the well-known website that enables you to publish your articles of any kind. Some examples like this one, medium.com. It's one of the well-known platforms that enables you to publish your articles and your stories, to promote your ideas, to promote your affiliate products, your digital products, to promote yourself, your gig as a freelancer, and much more. So medium.com, rather than gives you the opportunity to monetize your articles through the media partner program, it gives you the flexibility and the potential to use its guest posting power. So the first one is medium.com, and the second one like vocal.media. Here of course you can publish your stories and your articles about any topic in any niche, and of course it enjoys a great SEO on Google search results. So you can get great backlinks to your website, or you can promote yourself. And the third website like this one, livejournal.com, likewise previous websites. Here you can also publish your articles with a great chance to get amazing backlinks. And of course like Quora.com, that enables you to open up a Quora space that you can take as a microblog where you can publish your articles, your ideas, and for sure you can use it to promote your affiliate products, your digital products, your YouTube channel, website, and so on. Or this one, Templar.com, one of the biggest and the pioneers microblogger websites. Here you can establish your own microblog where you can publish your stories and your articles in. And for sure we can't forget LinkedIn.com, the biggest job offering platform, and here you can publish your articles like those as you observe. So you can take it as a guest post website. You can make the best of it to promote yourself and to get backlinks to your store and your main website. And this one, for example, substack.com. Here you can monetize your articles through newsletter and membership method. And of course you can publish your articles for free as guest post. The first type of these guest posting websites. And the second one that gives you the permission to ask you to sign up for free and contact them to publish your article as guest post, such as this one, healthian.com. Here it's amazing website that about the health and disorders and diseases and so on. So all you need to do to make guest post here, just you can head over to this contact form and you can find this one, guest post, sponsored post inquiry. Click over it Afterward, here you are required to insert your details and send your message that you want to make a guest post in their platform. And you can find huge amount of these websites of this kind. And the third kind of these websites I will leave in this list was ready username and password. So you don't waste time to sign up or register and wait for 5 or 6 days to be accepted or not. Like these ones, for example, ucalo.com. So if you go to your big list here down below in the description box in the first comment, like this one, this website, here you can find this domain authority, and here I will give you this username beside this password. So for example, to sign in this website, just you can copy one by one these credentials and go to this website and go to my account. Of course, you are a current author here, and just we can pass this sign up form and go to this, click here to log in, click over it, then insert here your username and at the turn of the password here, simply and quickly copy and hit back to this one and log in. And just in snap here, you enter the dashboard of your account on this website, where you can actually add an article as a perfect author on their website. And like this one, for example, as well, at article.classifiedsfactor.com, you can go to my account and pick your credentials from this big list. And likewise, you can insert your username and your password to enter its dashboard, where you can submit new articles from your own. And here the best questions here, how we can create our articles to promote ourselves, to promote our gigs as a freelancer, or to get traffic to our main website. I will leave down below in the description box in the first comment an amazing method how to convert an AI article from ChatGPT to a great humanized article that anyone can believe you wrote it as a perfect and real author. Therefore, you can take these articles and publish them in these websites and these platforms, and you can insert your main website in your profile or in your bio to brand yourself and announce your company and your gig as a freelancer and so on. And of course, there are many persons who take advantage of these guest posting websites to get traffic, to improve their websites rank on Google search results, or to make branding, to shout out, and much more. So don't forget to check out this link down below in the description box of this huge list of these guest posting websites, and I will leave also a great list of the websites that pay you for your writing and for your articles when you write for them. So by the end of the video, thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.